Hi, hello, 𝙬𝙧𝙚 here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media. In this video particular, I will teach you how to use morph animation in PowerPoint. Alright, so we have this slide number 1. So as usual, right click, layout, and select blank layout. And as you can see, maybe let's start with that where morph animation is located. Actually, morph is a transition that you can find here in transitions tab. But I have to also tell you that morph is available only if you have PowerPoint 2019. But if you have PowerPoint 2016, then you can only play morph transitions. Yeah, but if you have some of the older versions, like 2007, 2010, then a fade transition will be played instead of morph transition. So yeah, you have to note that if you are creating morph presentation, and let's say your client or your audience doesn't have morph transition available, then fade transition will be played instead of morph transition. Alright, so yeah, so let's create any shape. So go to the insert, shapes, and maybe a rectangle. Alright, so as you can see, this is our slide number 1, and here this is our shape, just a rectangle. So now let's duplicate this slide. So right click, and yeah, actually here, duplicate slide. So as you can see, they are both the same, but on this slide, on slide number 2, let's change the size of this rectangle, like here, and let's change the position, maybe here, and maybe change the color to here, to this yellow. And now what you need to do is to go into transitions tab, and you have to just click morph. And as you can see, these two shapes were morphed, if I can say it like that. I mean just that this is our shape, and here this is the same shape, but we changed the location of this shape. So yeah, so this is an animation, and also we changed the size, so the size is also animating, and also we changed the color, so color is also animated. And actually, morph is a game changer in PowerPoint because it lets you create extremely creative and modern animations just natively in PowerPoint. I have some knowledge in Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, and there are some things that are not even available in After Effects, but you can create those animations in PowerPoint. So yeah, morph is a game changer. I think this video was a really quick video. I just want to tell you the basics of morph, what is morph, and where you can find it. But in a near future, I plan to record some more videos about morph, maybe some morph presentations that I will show you. I don't know. If you are more interested in PowerPoint, in presentation design, please subscribe our channel, and also you can share this video to your friends and like this video below. So have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.